This week on the Flyway's Finest, we're back at Swift River Outfitters in the land of the living skies, chasing big feeds of Ross geese across the prairies of Saskatchewan. The hunting is spectacular and the action is fast, and you're not going to want to miss it.
Oh my God, look at them coming. They're like 5 feet off the ground.
As outdoorsmen, there's only one period in time that we live for. This period is defined from opening day to closing day. For that period of time, we live every day sun up to sundown, seizing every opportunity as though it's our last. From the northern prairies of Canada to coastal Mexico and everywhere in between, we go on a 9-month expedition each season following the greatest migration on the planet. Every destination has its own unique opportunities, its own story. When we set out each season, it's unknown how our story will be written. With over 270 days in the field, it's sure to put us to the test. No 2 days will be the same. It's here where we will share our story as we visit some of the finest hunting destinations across North America. This is the Flyway's Finest.
Flyway's Finest is presented by Browning, the best there is, and brought to you by Kent Cartridge, Next Level Lethal, and these fine sponsors.
Welcome back to Swift River Outfitters, where the crisp morning air carries the promise of unforgettable hunts, delectable cuisine, and bonds forged through shared passion. Get ready to immerse yourself in the unparalleled beauty of Saskatchewan as we explore why Swift River Outfitters isn't just a destination, but a haven for those seeking the ultimate waterfowl hunting experience.
That's the most awesome goose hunting experience I've ever had.
They come back out and so if you want to tell them just to get rolling now. Okay.
Roger that.
Okay. Thanks, Robbie. All right. Bye. So get a little speed set up. This is where you set up the decoys as fast as possible.
Good afternoon, guys. Matty with Swift River. We had another afternoon hunt here just after 1 o'clock, and we got the spread set quick, obviously, because you can see the birds are already starting to roll out. But a few in the field, and it's that time of year where they're hungry and they want to get out here and eat. So we're just waiting on the clients. We got everything set. We got our set of full body SX snows out here, and then obviously the duck full bodies. As you can hear in the background, there's some hungry geese, and once the clients get out here, they're just rolling up the road right now. We'll get loaded up and ready to go.
It sounds like a bunch.
Yeah, there's the water up there to the northwest. I keep readjusting. These ones straight out front here, though. I bet we're gonna get some of these. Straight out. Everybody ready? Everybody locked and loaded?
Yeah.
Sounds good. Because these ones are coming hot here, straight out front. Straight out front. Get ready. We're gonna take them this first pass here. Get ready on this big group right out front. Get ready. You ready? Kill them, guys. Nice shooting. Reload. Just get ready again. All right. Got some more coming from out front. Just reload and get ready.
Dude, that was nasty.
Here we got it. It's like a 7-pack right out front. Kill them, guys. Hold on. You ready? Kill them, boys.
This segment is brought to you by Browning, the best there is.
Chaotic is probably the best way to describe this hunt. The amount of snow geese that we're decoying, we shot our snow geese super quick, and then we sat out there, tried to shoot our ducks. The ducks were getting cut off by the snow geese. We sat out there for almost like 3 hours and basically filmed the entire time. That entire time there's snow geese landing. You know, we're trying to get ducks to decoy, but the snow geese are cutting the ducks off. We did eventually pick away at a few of our ducks, but didn't get a limit of them. But it was definitely action-packed, very memorable. Customers got one heck of a show, and when you come to Saskatchewan, that's what you come for.
Wait on these back ones here, they're really low. Wait on the big group on the back. Just wait. Just wait. Kill them, guys! That was a good group there, boy. On the bird.
Bruce, I had one die.
Be ready on these back ones here. They're going to be landing here. Be ready, guys. Be ready. Shoot low, straight out front. Be ready. Be ready. Kill them, guys. Ankle foot blast. Kill him, guys. Wow, what happened, Love? Yeah. He's got a 4 choke. He's going to hit him with 10. Nice. 10, I like that. Go, guys, road front. Okay, reload and get down again. Stay ready, guys. Go, guys. You ready? Kill him, guys! You ready, guys, on the right here. Come on! Come on, Joe! Come on! Kill him, guys! They're coming back. Get ready, guys. Right here. Front left. Get ready. Hold up, hold up. Wait. We're on a circle once. Just wait. We're going to wait on this big group. We're going to wait on the big group right out front. Just wait. Here we go, boys. Wait. Come on, boys! Right out front. Kill him, guys!
going, Bruce?
It's going good. Geese just don't want to leave us alone.
This week's cooking segment is brought to you by Kabrick Distributing, a family-owned business proudly serving Mason City, Iowa since 1963.
Good afternoon, guys. Manny here from Swift River. We're doing a little cooking segment here. On this one, we're going to be showing you a little bit of a mallard or any kind of duck appetizer. What we got here is mallard breast. I've already butterflied it. It's been marinating for about 24 hours in some Italian dressing. As you can see, opened up a little pocket in there, and from there you just take the cream cheese, put it in there so it's nice and tight in there. And then all you gotta do is grab a couple of these jalapenos, stuff them in there. And from there, you just grab a piece of bacon and throw it on there. Wrap it one time. And then just grab a toothpick and make sure everything's tight. And after that, we are gonna cook it on an open wood fire we have outside ready to go. We even got snow geese flying in the background. Would you listen to that? Now we're probably going to cook them for, about 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on how hot you got the open fire. We'll chuck them here in a little bit. You just want to make sure they're medium rare once again and get that bacon a nice crisp. Now it's time to put this jelly glaze on there. That jelly should be nice and glazed on there with a little heat. Looks pretty tasty. I'm just going to slice them open. They should be about medium rare. That'll work. All right, guys, this will wrap up the cooking segment this afternoon. Be sure to try this with any waterfowl. You can use ducks or geese, snow geese. Ross's geese are about the perfect size as well. It's a really easy recipe. It doesn't take long, and it's just a nice little appetizer. Thanks for tuning in to Flyway's Finest, and give it your best shot and try it out.
This segment is brought to you by Kent Cartridge. Next level lethal.
We're going to take some time and talk about some of our snow goose products. I'm going to start with our full body snow goose. That's where all the SX started. On our full body snow goose decoys, we do have our patented motion system, but what I do different, in each head position, I actually move the cone. Like in our feeder, I actually have this cone an inch forward, which allows the butt to pop up. Also, we have our tall neck. This is our blue goose. We also make this in our snow goose. I think this adds a big advantage in the spread. I run about 48 of these in our spread. I think it makes a difference to have that taller neck, gives the spread a different look. Also, it gives it another motion. For more information about all our snow goose decoys, give us a call or check us out at sxdecoys.com.
Morning guys, so we got about 20 minutes till shooting time. Today we're set up, we got a north-northwest wind. Our roost is over to the west. Kind of an unconventional setup a little bit here. Normally we like to get visible up on top of a hill, but we're down in a bit of a low spot. What that's ideally gonna do is muffle some of the sound. We're shooting quartering away from the roost. The roost is only sitting about half a mile. With the setup that we got here and a bit of good wind, we'll be able to shoot this roost. Should be a good one, stay tuned. Okay, get ready. Get him there, kill him, Specs, kill him. Nice shooting, fellas. And that's another thing I was gonna mention. If anyone's wanting to get anything mounted, let me know, because we'll set them aside, all right?
Yeah, beautiful.
All right, well, we'll keep these tucked away for you. Okay. Bundle coming in here, get ready, front right, flipping in. Get him there. Whoa! I got one. We're good. Get ready. Oh boy, get ready on him, guys. Kill him. Nice shooting, boys. Good shooting, good shooting. Okay, that's 3 on Bailey's side. Then we'll let the 5 do it. Rip them there. All right, guys, we got a big bunch out here. Really big spin coming. Get ready. Got a pile out front. Get ready. Out in front, there's a pile of birds. Get ready. Hello? Get them there, out front, out front. Oh, down low, 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 low. Keep loading, shoot him, shoot him. Yep. Not bad. All right. Get ready, we're gonna get a nice wad in here, all right? Hold on, get ready. Right out front, get them there, get them there, get them there. Nice triple. Maybe 80. We'll see. Gotta wait a minute yet. Get him there. Get ready. Be right in front. Get him there. Keep shooting, keep shooting. Shoot it, shoot it. Turn here. Yeah, we got birds turning. We got birds turning. Get ready, boys. Oh, that was good. Get him there. Yeah. Get him there.
Yeah.
Right down low, right down low. Keep shooting, keep shooting. Hold up. Keep killing them, keep killing them. Keep shooting. I think we're gonna call it here. Fantastic. Great shooting, fellas. That was awesome. Awesome shooting.
Good guy, Rob. Fantastic.
Glad you guys enjoyed it.
Oh, yeah. That was good.
Hey guys, Chip Marsh here with Swift River Outfitters. As you can see, we're just wrapping up a successful snow goose hunt that the guys had this morning. What we do day in and day out every day, we strap each individual bird, we put the toe tags on them, stating license, info, the guy's name. So when we transport these birds, we are completely legal, leaving the field and going back to the lodge to do the processing of the birds. You have to identify your own birds of who shot what. It's just a good way to keep it legal. They clip on. Paper's actually like a wax paper, so it's water resistant, it holds up good. They're a good product to have. I suggest you use them on your day-to-day hunts.
Next week on Flyway's Finest.